Hello, how are you? So in this video, we're going to make a typography with the outline and shadows, text, like using pure grapes as key. First thing, make a small version first. First thing we need to do in appearance, remove the color. There's no color now, and we want to expand this appearance. From this, we are going to put a color here, white. Select a color white. After that, we want to duplicate this. So this by clicking this duplicate. So now we have two layers. So this bottom will change to black color. And we want to make it bigger than this white. So we go to this effects, then path, offset path. So here we can put 20 preview, click preview, round. Okay. So right now you will see here, white is the top and this is in the bottom, the black one. Now we want to place another in the bottom. So we will duplicate this block. So this block now is 2. We are going to change this color by using this one. So from here, if you click this, you will see these gradients. So you can select what you want here. For example, color combinations. You will not see here for the meantime because it's in the bottom. So we want to make it bigger by clicking again this path, then offset 20 again, round. So this is now the difference. So you can change the color, the gradient. Example, this one, those. Now we want to put another block outside this. So we will duplicate again. Then this one, change this to black. Then another effects, set path. This one, 20, round, make it little, 15 maybe. Now we are going to place a shadow, black shadow. So this bottom, we are going to place the shadow here using by clicking this and effects again. So to put a shadow, so we are going to this distort and transform. Transform. Take first the preview so you will see what will happen. So these copies, try to maybe 10 and adjust this. You will see what is happening. It's vertical also. This is the length of the shadow. Maybe 2, 2. Then we make it 25, 30, I think 25 copies. 25 copies. Voila! We have now the design. So if you want to edit this again, return to the appearance. So you can change the color again. For example, this one. If you want to change the color, Click again here, and this one you can play with other colors, gradient colors. For example, this one. So do not make it big. Just make a duplicate copy. Duplicate copy. I'm holding Alt to make a duplicate. Now click, dragging this one so make a duplicate. So this one we can now change text. Example, you want this one now. You can arrange for a t-shirt design. First thing you need to do is select both this and right click, create outline, and object, expand appearance. Now this will cause hang in your system, so we need to go to the Pathfinder. So window, Pathfinder here, this Pathfinder. We need to merge all, then divide. So this is the one we are going to use now. So this one we can enlarge. Actually, this artboard is like 4,500 pixels by 4,500. So it's perfect for t-shirt design. You select this. So you can place an image, maybe a dog paw, anywhere here. So this is how you make this one. So keep this one in the editable in the side, the smaller version. Okay, please don't forget to like and subscribe also for next videos for print on demand. Okay, bye bye.